Hello, my YouTube family. We're here with Skipper Drones, and I'm bringing a few things that I got in the mail and a new drone that I have added to my collection. This is the DJI Phantom 3. I got this from off of QDL. Pretty good, brother. I'd like to give a shout out to him. So if y'all haven't checked out his channel, jump on over and check him out. He's a pretty cool dude. This came with two batteries, the transmitter. He gave me a bunch of props with it, so that's nice. So it's gonna be some good flying. So now I got a DJI product to add to my collection. Like I said, we're gonna be doing a lot of good flying this summer. A lot of good flying. All right, we're gonna set that over here out the way. Alright, let me get my trusty blade out here. Alright, coming up, we got here, this is a 16 piece gem fan 2040s. I got these here. Came with 2 packs. These are three bladed props. So I got these to go see how the pitch would be on my Mantis 85. So we might make it fly a little bit more aggressive. We got 2 packs here. So this is nice. 3 bladed props. 2040s. Alright. I also ordered another pack here. So we're gonna be doing prop tests and see which one flies better, you know. Okay, these are 4 bladed and these are 2035s gem fans. So we're gonna see how these fly also on the Mantis. We get 3 sets here, and these are not bad. I will have a link in the description for these. Actually, I got these off of Amazon. So, I mean, the prices are not that high, so that's gonna be pretty nice. Set that over here. All right. Now, look at this, you guys. Yes, this is a nice one. I'm not going to do a review on this because there's a lot of reviews out. But if you guys have any trouble, I've been doing a lot of research on it, so I'm pretty familiar with it and know how to work it pretty well. This is the Taranis QX7. It comes with stickers. That's nice. It also comes with the strap for to go around your neck. Pretty nice with the FR Sky patterns on it. So that's pretty nice. Here she is. Sit this over here. This is the Taranis QX7. Pretty nice.
Welcome to OpenTX.
Like I said, it's a lot of videos already that's on here about the FR Sky QX7. So I'm not going to be doing a review on here, but this is going to be my go-to. This is going to be my baby here to fly with. It does have, this one didn't come with the rechargeable LiPo. And it takes 6 double A's. But I will be ordering the LiPo battery to go with this. So yes, the FR Sky Taranis QX7. Alright. Set that over there. Alright. See what we have here. guess what this is here? This is the Nadisi. I believe I'm saying it right, but this is how you spell the name. This is finna be my first build here, you guys. This is the Nadisi Coon H 5.5 inch FPV quadcopter frame, ultra light. So we're gonna be doing a review on this pretty soon. And like I said, this is gonna be my first build, so I'm excited about that. Very, very, very excited. Pretty cool. So I'm not gonna open it up now, but I am gonna do a review on the frame, and then I'll do a review on the build. So yes, the Nadisi Coon H 5.5 inch FPV quadcopter drone frame kit. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Okay, and this is coming from DHL. This is also, so what the good thing about the frame was, after I ordered and I did a review on it, they sent me some motors. So I already have the motors in for this, so that is pretty cool. So this is my first time opening, so I don't know what size motors they are. Oh, look at this, you guys. Look at this. iPower Motors, iFlight. Nice, pretty nice. These are 2205, 2500 kV ions. So that's gonna be pretty nice here. Pretty nice. I like this. They got the set screw in at the bottom. That's nice. It don't have the clips on it. It has a set screw, so that's even better. Yes, these are the 2205, 2500 kV ions. Ion, I-O-N. Yeah, nice. It's pretty nice. All right. Yes, and this is going to the frame. So they sent me 4 of them. They come in the case. This is nice, man. Nice, nice. So this is going to be the first build. The first build here, you guys. I am very excited. So now we got to get the 4-in-1 ESCs, flight controller, VTX, camera. So that's coming later. Right now I'm in the process of saving up to get those. And a quick update on the boat. I'm saving up. I'm almost close to getting new motors. As you know, I do this out of the love of my heart for you guys. I hope you enjoy the content. I purchased everything myself, so that's why I have to save up, you know. So I'm almost close to getting a new motor for the boat, so we will be seeing that real soon. So I apologize, you guys. I know y'all been waiting to see that boat in action. So have I, trust me, so have I. But yeah, we got it coming real soon. So the build is coming real soon. And like I said, the motor for the boat and the flex shaft, drive shaft, that'll be here real soon too. So I'll probably have to order a FR Sky, the XM Plus, for my transmitter, the receiver for my transmitter. So you guys, all right, I hope you enjoyed. This is Skipper Drones, and I'm out. And I'll see you guys on the next video. And don't forget to hit that like button for me, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And you guys are the best, and I will see you on the next video.